Discouragement affects us all. Even the most confident person can become discouraged, whether it be misfortune in your life or a lack of success. The reality is, all of us get discouraged sometimes. Recently, the cold weather has not been letting up at all. We've been going through an ice storm this past week, and it's looking to only get worse on Monday. During these long winters, these extra cold times, it's very easy to become discouraged. So what do you do to stop that? Because there's certainly not going to be any gardening for us for a while. So what are we going to do? We watch our friends' gardens on YouTube. We watch other people's gardens. We look at the other side of the world and see what they're growing. And we see how much they care about things. And it inspires us to help them in the ways that we can. And the only way that we really can help them, with them being so far away, is to make a video about it. Progress is still achieved even through uncertainty, and we all have to remind each other of that. Never give up, always keep growing. The main reason for our channel to exist in the first place is to learn and to grow, but it's also meant to inspire and help the gardening community, because we all need to be reminded sometimes that what we're doing is right, and there's just no reason to be discouraged. Spring is right around the corner, and when it gets here, we'll be ready. Not because we have a plan or know anything of what we're doing, but because we're gardeners. That's going to do it for me today. Whatever you can do for your local community around this ice storm, please try to help, because there's a lot of people that need it. Thanks very much for watching today. Don't give up, keep growing. See you next time.